Is it possible to eat chicken and not make noises? I tried. Sorry. I have a secret way to make my perfect roasted chicken, and this is how I do it. When I barbecue for my friends and family, they always ask for my roasted chicken. And the reason for that is it's just so good. And the recipe is really easy to make. So let me show you how it's done. I'm not going to make this any more special or exciting than it is because it's really easy. There are just 2 steps in making a beautiful, delicious roasted chicken. And the first step is cutting it in half. We're going to cut our chicken in half by using poultry scissors. I'm going to take the backbone out first and then I'm going to cut through the breastbone. Of course we're going to need a rub, starting with 1 part salt. I'm using fleur de sel, by the way. We're also going to need 1 part paprika powder, 1 part curcuma, 1/16 part cayenne powder, and if you like to have more, you can add more. 1/4 part onion powder and 1/4 part garlic powder. And as always, you can find the whole recipe on our website. Now rub your chicken with mustard. This will help to build up a nice crust. Sprinkle on the rub that you just made, and this is the opportunity to make it look good. So put in some extra effort. Now that we got our chicken looking pretty, it's time to fire up our Napoleon grill. Now we get to the second part of why this chicken tastes so good. And it's all about the cooking technique. And that's using a rotisserie. Because rotating your chicken around over a fire is going to make your chicken taste stupid good. I'm using a double set of pins to secure each part of the chicken individually. This way I'm sure it's going to sit perfectly on our rotisserie. I got my Napoleon set up with both outside burners on. So basically we have a lot of indirect heat and this is the way we're going to start up. So we're going to put the rotisserie on and I already have the motor running, so we just place it on and there it goes, round and round. But we're not going to leave it at that. We're also going to add some smoke, and this grill has a cool feature. It has a smoke tray. I'm loading it up with oak barrel wood chips and I'm turning on the smoker burner. Now we're going to let the grill do its job. We're going to give it a little time to slowly cook that chicken with a little bit of smoke flavor. We have a core temperature of 70 degrees Celsius, which means we only have 5 degrees more to go. So let's make a butter basting sauce and finish off strong. Take a lump of butter, and a big one, put it in a pan, add some fresh oregano leaves, some chives, chopped fine of course, 2 cloves of garlic and some salt. I'm going to let this melt and use some parsley to brush it onto our chicken. Let's go. People used to say nobody can cook chicken like pitmasterx, but now you can do it too. And I could talk about this chicken for a whole long time, but you want to know two things: the temperature of the grill and the length that I cooked it in. The temperature of the grill was 160 degrees Celsius. The length that it took me to cook these was around an hour and a half. But you want to check with your core thermometer to make sure that you got it right. Well, not much more I can say about this chicken, then let's dig in.
I have no words. Wow.
If you have a bite like this, that's how you know you got the perfect chicken. You don't shred everything apart, then it's a little overcooked. You cooked your chicken to pull, but now you really have that bite in there. It's a secret sign how you know if your chicken is good.
Why didn't you tell me the secret? This might be the best wrap on chicken so far.
Is it possible to eat chicken and not make noises? I tried. Sorry.
Wow. Wow. That's unbelievable.
If the breast is juicy, the rest is just gonna be epic. And our breast is juicy. It's just leaking. Insane.
This is the definition of good chicken. And I love it. I really love it.
I'm just gonna finish off the video. I'm not gonna say anything about this. This is my secret recipe. I gave it to you guys. Do with it whatever you want. It's yours now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, then leave us a big thumbs up and a comment down below. A special thank you to our patrons and YouTube members. Hope to see you guys next time. Until then,
Eet smakelijk.
and keep on grilling your freaking chicken, man. Oh, before we finish up, go to my TikTok and follow me there. Take your daughter's phone, make an account, go on TikTok, follow me. That's right. It's so good.
I need more.
We got a problem.
Why?
I hear kids coming.
No.
Hide the chicken, hide the chicken, hide the chicken. It's not here. We're not eating chicken. We gotta hide it. We're not doing anything. I'm just drinking. Put that chicken away. Of course they're coming in. I'm just drinking. Nothing going on here. Nothing to see. Keep moving along.
They're looking into the window.
Don't. Put that chicken away. Oh, nice.